I don't know who Target thinks they are, but they are killing it. I bought a few more things. I want to share more of my spring must-haves, so let's get started. Eyelet dress is a classic. This would be perfect for like Easter, graduation parties. It comes in other colors as well. It has pockets, and I just love the silhouette, and then a little bit of the stitching detail to spice it up. I need to run and get this dress. It is so good. It has pockets, the perfect length. I like that there's not a lot of excess fabric here, so you can really dress it up or dress it down. The seaming detail just snatching you up. Loving anything with texture right now. It's a great way to kind of spice up a solid top. And this also kind of gives you a soft peplum. You guys will have to let me know if you're into the peplum coming back. Top comes in a bunch of colors, and I paired it with these curvy straights, which are so comfortable. I love the fit of these, and they are curvy, so there's no waist gap. Now I love a good jumpsuit. Anything with elastic that's stretchy, the leg doesn't pull across my belly or my thighs. This is a great piece that you can dress up, dress down. So like it with an oversized white shirt. This is like the perfect travel fit.